I think I'm a bit too old for these memes, but I've heard of Throwback Thursday, and I thought I'd do it a little bit differently. I'm a futurist. That doesn't mean I can predict the future, but our research team at Tomorrow Today Global spends time trying to anticipate future trends and trying to have a look at what might and what probably will happen sometime in the future. So I'm going to try and do a Throwforward Thursday every week, and I'm sure my daughters will eye roll a little bit about that. Throwforward Thursday. What are some of the trends that are coming our way? What if we get our head out of the current crisis, the COVID issues, and we look a few years, 5, 10, maybe further into the future, what's coming our way? And every Thursday, I'm going to throw out a short little video, a Throwforward Thursday. Why not? So I thought I'd kick this off by linking into COVID and where we are at the moment, because one of the things that I think we're going to see in the future, let me maybe put a dateline on this, right? And say that I think we'll see it by, let's say, May of 2028. How's that to be specific when I've just told you I don't make predictions? But by May 2028, let's say, we are going to see the use of mRNA in multiple diseases and the formulation of responses to cures, possibly, or at least movement towards cures of multiple diseases. mRNA is the scientific basis for the vaccines that Pfizer and Moderna have developed for COVID-19. And they work in a very particular way, where they send messenger ribonucleic acid, that's mRNA, into your system. Basically give instructions to the cells in your body to develop in certain ways. And particularly when it comes to diseases, they can give instructions being blueprints for the way that every cell in your body, the DNA in the cells of your body, actually reacts and responds to stimulus. Typically a disease is something that your body is not supposed to have. It comes in as a bit of an invader in your body, and your cells then have to learn what to do with that. If they don't notice it, it can sneak up on you. If your cells do notice it and try and attack it, that's when you can get a little bit sick and hopefully overcome the disease, and then you get some antibodies. And mRNA vaccines, but mRNA medicine will be able to upgrade, if you like, the software, upgrade the instruction kit, improve the blueprints that our DNA has in order to fight and combat and deal with diseases that come into our body. Now, I'm not a medical person, so look it up, get into a little bit more detail if you're interested in the technical aspects of mRNA. All that I can see is the excitement of medical professionals, of people who study medicine. And we've got a lot of clients at Tomorrow Today who are in this space. And they are besides themselves with excitement that this new discovery of a way of using our new understanding of genetic science that's essentially 20 years old since we first sequenced the human genome. Our understanding of this is opening up all sorts of doors to the ways in which we can help our bodies to be well, to be whole, to be healed when we are sick. And by 2028, I think we're going to see announcements being made. And this is everything from diabetes to cancer, from dementia to Parkinson's. A whole door is about to open. By the end of this decade, we're going to look back and say COVID, as disastrous and disruptive as it was, opened the door for us into a whole new era of medical science. And it's going to be amazing. That's this week's Thursday Throw Forward. I'll see you next week as we go to the future together.